Hey good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you so much for always coming back to watch my shows. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload in a new video. Today, I'll be making pineapple and beet juice. This is my favorite way of starting the day. But did you know that drinking fresh juices has been recognized as one of the cornerstones of a healthy diet for decades? I added in an apple because it's the only one I had in the fridge remaining and it was going to blend very well with this juice. I simply had to wash all the ingredients and cut them into small pieces because my juicer will not take a full apple or a full beet, but I don't mind because it's gonna do the function anyway. And did you know that beets stimulate the function of the liver cells and protects the liver and bile ducts? They are an excellent way of detoxifying the blood and renewing it with minerals and natural sugars. They actually taste very good as well. I added in some spinach because spinach is known to be a very good antioxidant. Simply put all the ingredients into the juicer and make sure that you just do not add any water unless you're using a blender. And then I went ahead and added in a piece, just a small piece of lemon. It was actually a quarter of it. It gives it a very good kick, but I peeled it because once you add in with the peel, it gives it some kind of bitter taste. I'm not sure why, but I like to use it when it's already peeled in. And then I went ahead and cut the pineapple, washed it of course, and then removed the peel. You can use these peels to make syrup, but I wasn't in the mood for that time because it was going to take too much of my time, so I removed the peel. But did you know that pineapples are a wonderful tropical fruit having exceptional juiciness? They contain considerable calcium, potassium, fiber and vitamin C. They are also low in fat and cholesterol. Pineapples are used as a digestive and natural anti-inflammatory. They reduce blood clotting and helps remove plaque from arterial walls. This was very good juice and I enjoyed it a lot. Subscribe and share for more.